Hey guys, my name's Ian Archibald, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about my internship. So first off, why I chose my internship. Honestly, the ALPS program came to me. I wasn't planning on doing an internship this semester, but it kind of fell in my lap. They offer a real internship with a real company with real credentials behind them. So once you finish up your internship, this is something you're going to be able to put on a resume that's going to look good to possible employers. And it's all organized through the school, so you can trust that it's going to work out and that you're not going to get taken for a ride. So the process here. First off, you're going to you're going to register for it, just like you would for any other class, and then they give you what they call an interest survey. And what that'll be is it's kind of a quick rundown on all of the different companies that are looking for interns and what they're looking for as far as what you can give them, whether it be social media marketing, web design, market research, competitive analysis, all of that. So what you'll do is you'll rate your interest based on the criteria that they give you, and the guys at the ALPS program will look through and they'll match you up with somebody that you were interested in, either highest or second highest. So you're not going to end up working with a company or doing work that you're not interested in at all. They'll match you up with a group of kids. That's my group right there. They're all pretty rad dudes. And they'll set you up with your client and send you on your way. So next, what did BYUI supply me with? What did they give me to make sure I'm ready? Well, here at BYUI, based on your major, they apply you with all sorts of workplace applicable skills. For me, they gave me a lot of basic marketing know-how, and they set me up with skills in social media marketing. For example, this on the right there, that's a content calendar. They set me up with the exact skills I need to be valuable to my employer. So, for example, my group, they needed to get some marketing buzz about them, and the best way to do that, we felt, was to start a social media marketing campaign to help gain them followers and help build interest in their product. So what we did was we supplied them with that social media marketing calendar. We went out, we got them a couple months worth of content from a photo shoot. We put it all together in a list with how much it's going to cost, what time we want to post it, what outlet we want to post it to. So they're all ready to go as soon as they're ready to launch. So they'll have a couple months worth of content ready. So what did I gain from this experience? Honestly, I got a lot of confidence. Sometimes you're sitting in classes and you're wondering, why am I learning this? This all seems really weird. Well, once you get into the real world, once you get into internships and jobs, all of the skills and the knowledge that you gain in class kind of comes together. And it's really cool to see how that works. Like I was a little gun shy when I first got there. I was like, I don't know how to do a lot of these things. But as I sat down and got to work, everything just kind of fell into place, and I realized, yeah, no, I learned this in class. I can do all of this stuff. This is really cool. So that's really what I gained from it. I gained the confidence to know that in the future, when I'm applying for other internships or jobs, I kind of know what I'm doing, which is a really cool feeling. So for future interns, my advice would be to trust what you know, trust the things you learn in class, and work hard. You're only going to get out of this what you put into it. If you're ever lost, ask questions. Stay in contact with your client. They're going to be your lifeline there. They're going to tell you what they want. They're going to tell you how they want it. And as long as you're listening to them and as long as you're staying in contact with them, you're not going to be far off. Last, I'd say jump in with both feet. Honestly, this is an awesome experience. Just go for it. Just jump in and get to work. The more you put into this, the better reviews you're going to get from your employers. They're going to give you letters of recommendation, and all of this is going to work really, really hard towards getting you a job in the future, which is really what the purpose of these internships is. Anyways, I hope you learned a little bit about the ALPS program, and yeah, good luck.